Did you know the stock market isn't just about making money? It's a fascinating world that can teach us valuable life lessons. Ever wondered how everyday people can become partial owners of major companies? The stock market makes it possible. Think investing is only for the wealthy? Think again. You might be surprised at how accessible it really is. Want to make a positive impact on the world? Your investment choices could be the key. Curious about what human behavior and the stock market have in common? The answer might shock you. Is patience really a virtue in the world of stocks? You'll be amazed at what long-term investing can achieve. Ready to uncover the hidden truths of the stock market that most people overlook? Ever considered how your investments could shape a more sustainable future? It's more powerful than you think. Wondering if there's more to wealth than just dollars and cents? The stock market holds some surprising answers. Are you prepared to see the stock market in a whole new light? Get ready for some eye-opening revelations. When most people think of the stock market, they imagine a chaotic world of flashing numbers, dramatic headlines, and high-stakes gambling. But there's so much more beneath the surface that many don't realize. At TDC Daily Life, we are peeling back the layers to reveal the fascinating and important truths about the stock market that often go unnoticed. Let's start with a surprising fact. Contrary to popular belief, the stock market isn't just a playground for the wealthy elite. It is actually a powerful tool that allows ordinary individuals like you and me to become partial owners of major companies. That's right, by investing in stocks, you're not just buying a piece of paper. You're buying a slice of a business. This means you can share in the growth and success of companies you believe in, from tech giants to local startups. But here is where it gets really interesting. The stock market isn't just about making a quick buck. In fact, history has shown us time and time again that patience is the real key to success. Long-term investing has consistently outperformed short-term speculation. It's not about timing the market, but time in the market. This lies in the face of the get-rich-quick mentality that many associate with stock trading. Now, you might be thinking, that's all well and good, but isn't the stock market just about money? Well, yes and no. While financial gain is certainly a part of it, the stock market actually reflects something much deeper and more universal: human behavior. It's like a mirror that shows us our collective hopes, fears, and decision-making processes under uncertainty. When you look at stock prices rising and falling, you're not just seeing numbers, you're seeing human emotions at play. This human element of the stock market can teach us valuable life lessons. It shows us the importance of discipline, staying calm under pressure, and thinking for the long term. It reminds us that success often comes not from dramatic actions, but from consistent, thoughtful choices over time. These are lessons that apply far beyond just investing. They are principles we can use in our everyday lives. But the stock market isn't just a passive reflection of human behavior. It is also a tool we can use to shape the world around us. Many people don't realize that their investment choices can have a real impact on society and the environment. By choosing to invest in companies that prioritize ethical practices, environmental sustainability, and fair treatment of workers, we can use our money to vote for the kind of world we want to live in. This idea of responsible investing is gaining traction, and for good reason. It's a way for us to align our financial goals with our values. When we invest in companies that are working to solve global challenges like developing clean energy solutions or creating more equitable healthcare systems, we are not just potentially earning returns, we're also contributing to positive change in the world. At TDC Daily Life, we believe this is one of the most exciting aspects of the stock market. It is not just about growing our personal wealth. It is about using that wealth as a force for good. When we invest thoughtfully and responsibly, we're not just building our own financial future, we're helping to build a better, more sustainable future for everyone. Of course, this doesn't mean that investing in the stock market is without risks. Like any financial decision, it requires careful consideration and often professional advice. But understanding these lesser-known aspects of the stock market can help us approach investing with a more balanced, informed perspective. For example, knowing that the stock market reflects human behavior can help us stay calm during times of market volatility. Instead of panicking when prices drop, we can recognize that these fluctuations are often driven by short-term emotions rather than long-term fundamentals. This knowledge can give us the confidence to stick to our investment strategy even when things get turbulent. Similarly, understanding the power of long-term investing can help us resist the temptation to constantly buy and sell based on short-term market movements. By focusing on the big picture and giving our investments time to grow, we can potentially achieve better results while also reducing stress and transaction costs. Another important aspect of the stock market that often goes unnoticed is its role in economic growth. When we invest in stocks, we're providing companies with the capital they need to expand, innovate, and create jobs. This, in turn, helps to drive economic progress and improve living standards. So in a very real sense, stock market investors are contributing to the overall health and growth of the economy. But perhaps the most important thing to understand about the stock market is that it is not just about numbers on a screen. It's about real businesses, real people, and real impact. When we invest in a company's stock, we're putting our faith in their vision, their leadership, and their ability to create value. We're becoming part of their story. This is why it's so important to invest in companies and causes we believe in. When we do this, we are not just chasing returns, we are supporting ideas and initiatives that we think can make a difference. Whether it's a company developing breakthrough medical treatments, a tech firm working on solutions to climate change, or a social enterprise creating opportunities in underserved communities, our investments can help turn these visions into reality. At TDC Daily Life, we believe that this holistic view of the stock market as a reflection of human behavior, a teacher of life lessons and a tool for positive change, is the key to truly successful investing. It's not just about making money, but about understanding how money moves, making informed choices, and using our investments to shape a better world. So the next time you think about the stock market, remember there's so much more to it than just numbers and charts. It's a complex, fascinating ecosystem that reflects our collective hopes, fears, and aspirations. It's a tool that allows us to participate in economic growth and support causes we believe in, and most importantly, it's a way for us to invest not just in our own future, but in the future of our society and our planet, because at the end of the day, true wealth isn't just measured in dollars and cents, it's measured in the positive change we help create, the principles we uphold, and the legacy we leave behind, and that's something worth investing in.